Hello, good morning to all of my respected students. I am Priyesh Ghosh, and today our topic of discussion is differentiation. Now let me first begin in this manner. That suppose you have to understand differentiation, then there are some fundamental things which you must know. That is the concept of limit, continuity, and the concept of functions. Unless these topics are rock solid, the differentiation issue or topic cannot be very much clear to you. Now let me come to the point very briefly, in a very brief manner. The thing is that suppose you have to understand differentiation, so you have to understand the meaning of differentiation. Differentiation can be taught in two manners. One is the mathematical manner, the second is the geometrical manner. The geometrical manner is more a type of a thing which you can see, so it is much better to explain in a geometrical manner in a first way, right? So what is differentiation? Suppose there is a function, right, which is equal to fx, and we define the function that fx is equal to sine x. Now which means that the function is the sine curve, right? Now the issue is that you have to differentiate the sine curve at a certain point of x which is equal to 90 degree. Let us suppose that we have to differentiate sine x at x is equal to 90. Now when we differentiate, what do it mean? It means that we have to find the slope of the curve at a certain point, and which is x is equal to 90 degree. This is the basic meaning of differentiation. The meaning of differentiation is to find the slope of a curve at a certain point which is equal to tan theta, which is equal to m, and this is called differentiation. Let me put another very small example. Suppose we have to differentiate a curve which is x square, that is fx is equal to x square. Now at x is equal to 2, suppose x is equal to 2 is the point. Now if we differentiate, the answer comes as 2x, right? The differentiation of x square, right? So what did that it means? It means that we have to find the differentiation of the curve at x is equal to x is equal to 2 of fx is equal to x square. This means that we have to find the slope of the curve at x is equal to 2, right? This is the meaning of differentiation, right? That is in a precise manner to find a curve of a given, to find the slope of a given curve at a certain point, that is x is equal to alpha or theta, right? That is like this. Now this is the geometrical interpretation. Now we have to come to the mathematical interpretation. The mathematical interpretation is like this. Suppose there is a curve which is fx, right, and we have to differentiate it by the first principle. That is the fundamental thing in a mathematical sense of differentiation. The first principle is stated that dy by dx, that is the differentiation of a function fx, which is equal to, suppose x square, let me put in this manner, is dy by dx is equal to limit h tends to 0 fx plus h minus fx divided by h. This means this is the first principle of differentiation. It is the basic way of differentiating or finding the derivative of any of the given curve or given function at a certain point of time, right? So you have to understand this first principle, which I again repeat, dy by dx is equal to limit h tends to 0 fx plus h minus fx divided by h. Quote it. This has to be in your mind at each and every time when you understand and start differentiating a function.